Elena, look at you. You look incredible.
Do I? I feel different.
You are different. You're starting to shine again.
I've been journaling every day. It helps. I write about the little things I'm grateful for, even on bad days.
That's a big deal, Maria. Gratitude can be powerful.
It is. And the art classes, they're my favorite part of the week now. I even made a friend there.
I'm so proud of you. You've come so far.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Yes, you could have. I was just the reminder you needed. The strength was always inside you.
Today, I felt alive. Not completely, but enough to notice the world again. The sunlight, the breeze, the laughter around me. It's not perfect, and I'm still scared. But I'm learning to trust that I deserve happiness. One step at a time, I'm finding my way back to myself.
I still can't believe you've only been painting for a couple of months. That piece you showed me last week, it was incredible.
Thanks, Claire. Honestly, I wasn't sure I'd stick with it. But it's become something I look forward to.
I can tell. You light up when you talk about it.
It's strange. For so long, I felt like I didn't have anything to look forward to. Now, it feels like I'm starting to find pieces of myself again.
You are. And you should be proud of that.
And to you, for being brave enough to take the first step.
To small steps.
I come bearing wine.
What's the occasion?
No occasion. I just thought it was time to unpack these.
Wow, these are your old favorites. You used to talk about these all the time.
Yeah. I stopped reading when everything started to feel overwhelming. But I think I'm ready to get back to it.
That's a big step, Maria. It's like you're reclaiming parts of yourself.
That's exactly what it feels like. I didn't realize how much I'd let go of until now.
Well, here's to rediscovering yourself. You've worked so hard to get here.
And it feels good. Scary, but good.